Alright guys, so we're back at the First Landing State Park in Virginia, and we're going to be doing multiple trails now to pull together a loop. We're going to be doing the Fox Run Trail, the Kingfisher Trail, the Long Creek Trail, and then possibly some of the Cape Henry Trail. Now, when we started to enter here, we found something kind of weird. The Chesapeake Indians have taken a piece of land here. In 97, 64 human remains of Chesapeake Indians were reinterred at this site. The remains had been archaeologically excavated at the site of the Chesapeake town near here due to bridge construction. So they had the, at the time, chief of the Chesapeake Indians and then every other recognized Indians in Virginia sent delegates, and they brought the bodies here to be buried in First Landing in this group site. And then they have stones, colored stones marked north, south, east, west that mean different things, but it's kind of amazing. They got a nice bronze plaque here in the marble talking about it. So it looks like they've given them a home here to let their dead lie, but it was just kind of interesting. We walked into it and we thought we'd show you guys. It's important to realize when you're hiking at First Landing State Park that there is so many different trails. You can combine them to make a distance of whatever you want. You want long ones, they've got them. I think you can do like 30 miles with 8 of them being coastal miles on the bay. So okay, so we just jumped on the Long Creek Trail and everything changed. It's a lot more sandy, Spanish moss hanging from the trees pretty heavily, as you can see, and the bay is right literally over this hill right here, this dune. So it's pretty cool how the features change so fast in First Landing.
We're on the Long Creek Trail now. Lots of openings to be able to get shots of the bay and the river. Lots of nice shade along the side, so it's not like walking down a beach to where you're super hot all the time. Tons of shade, you're in and out of the sun. Really nice trail. This is a prime example of Spanish moss, and it grows all over on the trees around here. Absolutely beautiful. We love it. Okay, so now we're taking the Kingfisher Trail, and we're going to take that to the Cape Henry Trail.
All right, we made it to the Cape Henry Trail. We'll be taking this all the way back to the trail center, which is where we parked. So here we go. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay guys, we just finished up. is about 4.5 miles. One of the things we wanted to let you guys know about this place is First Landing State Park has a campground on the other side. And if you stay there, they have a private beach. So you can actually stay there, have the private beach. They have electric sites, they have primitive sites, they have RV sites. But you can also just walk across the street to this half of the park and hike all the trails. So it's like an all-in-one vacation right there. We're planning on coming back and doing it that way. That's why we're leaving some trails undone. For this year, this will be the last First Landing video, because we're going to leave some trails for when we come back, especially some of the bigger coastal trails. So I thought it was a great time. Basically, you can string them together to make loops all through them. It's just whatever you want to do. They have established ones on all trails and stuff. You want to follow those. But what'd you think, honey?
I thought it was great. This one was really nice.
There's a lot of shade on this one, but there's a lot of views too.
Lots of views.
I mean, you can see the bay, the river, the restoration area on the river. And it wasn't like Party Central either, like you see in a lot of these beach towns. It was very laid back. So, till next time, I'm Tony.
I'm Missy, and we'll see you up the trail.